Hey everybody, my name is Jason. Welcome to Nocode V8. In this video we're just going to explore a little bit of the content bank that we have as a free download that's built on Airtable, but we're going to specifically look at how we can use Airtable's Webclipper to get information quickly into that database. So let's have a look at how we can do that. So first let's have a quick look at the database itself. So this is just a table, content bank table, and what we have here is the content name, so just a short description, tags. Again, all these things are optional, but we have tags so we can categorize the content. We have the status of the content, so we can have it as part, ready, posted, ideas, etc. And then we have the content, the text, the content, images, and URLs and things like that that the content will have. We also have an option to specify the platform that you want to post that to. So this is all built into the content bank, and I'll share the details of where you can download this. But what we want to look at is how we can get information quickly into there. So like me, you may be just browsing through your emails, reading blogs, etc. and you come across something you think will be useful to share with your community. So we have example here. This is Zapier. We have an article, some images, and we have obviously a URL that goes to this article. So let's say we want to share this, and we want to do that quickly because we're reading the article. We don't want it to be disruptive to our day. We want a quick way to, in a few seconds, to get that information into our content bank, and we can look at it later and evaluate it. So to do that, we head back over to Airtable and we click on extensions. So if we click here, we can add a new extension, and I think in the free version you can add one extension, so this is available in the free version. So what we want to do is click on this, and we want to choose the Webclipper. So if we just type web in here, we can see the Webclipper. We can click on that and we can add this extension. So what we need to do first of all, if we haven't already, is install the Chrome extension. So you just click on here, install the Chrome extension, and you'll have it up here at the top. We also need to just specify the name of it that we're going to see it as, and which table we want it to copy into. So in this case it's the content bank table, and we can choose skip for now. And now it's going to ask us for the information. Where are we going to get the information from to populate this table? So you can see at the top here we have content name, so this is the short description field here, and we're going to get that from the page title. So if we look at the browser here, if we look at this article, we can see at the top here we have some information, the best employee onboarding. So we're going to take that information from the page itself. We're going to have the link come from the page itself. The content image we're going to select manually. The content text we're going to grab by highlighting text and then having that as a text. So I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. We can click on here, and then we can add other fields. Maybe we want to add the platform, and maybe we want to add the status as well. So we can add more information here, but all we want to do at the moment is grab that information, get it into Airtable, get on with our day, and come back and review this. So this is good enough for now, so let's just add extension. So now I can show you what we mean. If we click on the extension here, we can see we have this option to add content. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're on this page, we're reading this article, we think it's very useful and we want to add it to our content bank. So first of all we need to do is find some text that we can highlight, the content text. So we're just going to highlight this first paragraph in here, and then we're going to click here and we're going to add it into the content bank that we just looked at. So what's it going to do? It's going to grab the content name from the page title, so there's nothing to do there. It's got the link from the URL itself. The text that we highlighted is going to put in the content text, so there's nothing to do there. All we need to do is add an image, and we can do a number of things here. We can just add an image from the page, so let's just click on here and we have an image, and then we can specify at this point, well, this is going to go on Facebook, and at the moment it's just an idea. So let's add that record. That's done. We can carry on reading the article, and we can come back to Airtable and look at the content that we've just added and evaluate it at that point. Okay, we're back in Airtable now, and remember we added this as an idea. The status was idea. So if I just click on this view here, we can see that we have in here now that information. So if we just open that up so we can see it clearly, we have the name, we have the text that we got, we specified idea and work Facebook, and we also added an image. So now we can go ahead and populate this, evaluate it, give it a rating. But the key, crucial thing is that we got this information in within a few seconds. So that's how you can do it. It's called the Webclipper, I will put in the comments below where you can download this content planning database for free, and you can try it out yourself. So thank you for listening. See you next time.